Hello friends! Today we will be looking at food industry machines that will blow your mind. Pure Juicers offers juices that utilize cold press technology to extract nutrients from fruits and vegetables. This method involves grinding and pressing produce, preserving their quality and keeping them cool throughout the process. By using a fast, stainless steel cutter, the juicer efficiently grinds the pulp, ensuring maximum extraction of nutrients. Cold-pressed juice, free from fiber, is easily absorbed by the body, making it most effective when consumed first thing in the morning. Moreover, this method minimizes waste by utilizing the entire produce. Homemade cold-pressed juice not only guarantees the highest quality, but also provides an excellent way to increase vegetable intake. The donuts are typically cut using automated donut cutters that can cut multiple donuts at once and load into industrial-sized fryers that can fry hundreds or even thousands of donuts per hour using a conveyor belt system to move the donuts through the frying process. The filling machine uses a piston or rotary filling mechanism to inject the jam into their center, some of which may even have several nozzles that can inject the filling into several donuts simultaneously. The glaze may also be flavored or colored to create a great variety of finishes. The production of butterfly cookies is kind of similar, but has very different results. Once the dough is prepared, it is typically rolled out into thin sheets using specialized rolling machines and then cut using cookie cutters. Then they are typically baked at a temperature range of 175 to 190 degrees Celsius or 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for around 10 to 12 minutes and then cooled on wire racks or conveyor belts before coating them with melted chocolate, with a controlled applying to ensure its consistency. The same process is taken for the cinnamon rolls, but the dough is rolled before into a tight spiral, with the cinnamon sugar mixture on the inside that tastes delicious. Parmigiano Reggiano is a hard, granular cheese that is made from cow's milk. Its production process is highly regulated and governed by a consortium of producers. The milk must come from cows that are fed a specific diet and raised in a specific region. This milk is heated to a specific temperature that can vary between 30 and 40 degrees Celsius, or 86 and 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and then combined with rennet to coagulate the milk. The resulting curds are cut into small pieces and stirred to release the whey, and then gathered into large mass and placed in a cloth-lined mold. The cheese is pressed for several hours to remove any remaining whey and placed in a brine solution for several weeks to give the cheese its distinctive flavor and texture. The cheese is then aged for a minimum of 12 months and up to 36 months of more for higher quality varieties. This machine for making Easter eggs or other hollow chocolate figures fixes the molds with a double magnet that allows the movement of molds weighing up to 1 kilogram. It also has a motor to vibrate the molds in order to distribute the chocolate properly. Chapati making machines use a combination of mechanical and electronic components to automate the process of making chapatis, flattening the dough and rolling it out into thin, circular discs by a series of rollers and rotating discs. The cooking surface is designed to apply uniform heat to the chapatis, ensuring they are cooked evenly on both sides. Sormac specializes in the manufacturing and supply of vegetable processing equipment, with a focus on processing leafy vegetables. Their expertise lies in developing machines tailored for this specific purpose. The process begins with high-pressure water spray, effectively eliminating dirt and debris from the vegetables. Alternatively, the dunk tank method might be employed for thorough washing. Sormak's leafy vegetable washer, equipped with a combination of water and air, is meticulously designed to remove dirt, sand, and impurities from the vegetables. Following the washing stage, Sormak's leafy vegetable centrifuge comes into play, efficiently removing excess water from the leafy greens. The centrifuge operates at speeds ranging from 350 to 1,000 RPMs, ensuring optimal water extraction. To meet diverse customer requirements, Sormak offers a vegetable packing machine capable of packing processed leafy vegetables in various specifications. These machines not only enhance efficiency, but also elevate the overall quality of vegetable processing. Sormak's commitment to providing top-notch equipment contributes significantly to the improvement of vegetable processing standards. If you've ever been curious about how onions are processed on a large scale, Finis from the Netherlands has a processing line that you might find interesting. Their processing line features onion peelers, dicers, slicers, centrifuges, and packing lines. Finis is known for their gentle treatment of onions, which ensures long shelf life and higher quality. Their onion peeling equipment is respected in the industry thanks to their experience and knowledge. They have been in business since 1924. The automatic orientation units ensure consistency in size and shape. The processing adheres to the highest hygiene standards, ensuring the safety of the final product. Their equipment can process both diced and sliced onions. If you're a smaller restaurant, large food processing company, Finis has a solution to meet your onion processing needs.